Hello, and welcome back to episode number 3 of Building a Saas. Today I'm going to show you how you can implement auth using WorkOS. I'm going to do a Google SSO integration as well as a typical user password setup. Here's a quick preview of what we're going to build. And as always, if you find this video useful, please give a like and subscribe. It really helps me and motivates me to keep this channel going. So without further ado, let's get underway. I've created a WorkOS account. I haven't done any setup yet. I'm just going to walk you guys through what to do. The first thing we need to do is set up AuthKit. I've got some basic integrations here, sign in, single sign on, Google Auth. I'm just going to click through. I'm not going to bother customizing just yet. I'm going to skip the sign in page. I don't need to try it out just yet either. Can skip the integration step as well. I'm going to skip adding the redirects and go ahead and activate AuthKit for now. Great. I'd like to say that's it, but we've still got a little bit more to go. I noticed we are on the staging environment. I'm going to go ahead, go to the production environment and add the redirect URLs. So this is where WorkOS wants to return you back after auth is completed. So for me, that's app.agua.sh. I'm going to add the homepage URL as well. Don't need to add a login or a logout endpoint or a sign up or user invitation. And so I think actually we're done here. I want to enable email and password integration. I think it's very common. And let's make that email and password combination nice and secure. I'm going to reject passwords and reject 5 previously used passwords as well. I'm also going to enable Magic Auth. It's quite nice to be able to just send an email. It's really nice, actually, WorkOS, how easy they make it. But with Google Auth, I'm going to go ahead and enable that. And what we need to do here is we need to create an OAuth client as well in GCP console. So we can go ahead and do that. So here I am in the OAuth client section. You need to go ahead and create an OAuth client ID. It's a web application in this case. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. I need to then copy the redirect URI from WorkOS and paste it in here as well. And once I click create here, OAuth is going to generate me a client ID and a client secret, which I'm just obscuring here. I'm going to download the JSON file that stores those. So when I go back to WorkOS, I'm going to be able to paste these in. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then I'm going to check out some features just to make sure I've set everything up okay. AuthKit's enabled, signups enabled. I'm not going to bother with multi-factor auth. I want WorkOS to handle those emails for me. I don't need user impersonation just yet. For cores, I'm going to need to set up some origins. I'm going to allow app.agua.sh and save those changes. Add-ons, I don't think I need anything just yet. Roles and permissions, I'm sure these will come in handy when I'm creating my app, but I don't need it just yet. Branding, I'm going to leave. It's not really the purpose of this video. Domains, I would like to configure a nice auth domain, but it costs $99 a month. So for now, I'm going to leave that, even though the auth domain that WorkOS uses is a little bit ugly. I'm going to go ahead and show you the code now and how to install it in the app. So go ahead and run npm install for that command, download the appropriate library. Then around the app, you need to wrap your app with the AuthKit provider that WorkOS provides. Import the client ID. I've already got that sort of saved in my M file, and so I can just import it within the app. There's also some handy routing logic. I'm going to just leave this in the app because I'm doing a bit of a speed run, but you probably want to go ahead and clean this up and put this in a nice login page component or something like that. And then on my app, I've got a nav user where you can also kind of log out from the navigation bar as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add some stuff here too. The code pretty much is all in the WorkOS docs of the getting started. It's super easy to get going. So if this is a little bit too fast or unclear for you, you can always consult the WorkOS docs as well. And so I'm just going to check out locally that this works as I would want it to. You saw there when I signed in, it took me to the app. I already have a user. It's not the best demo, but I'll demo properly once we get to deploying it. So I'm going to run bun run build, and this is going to build the new JS bundle that I've got with the new code. And then I'm going to go ahead and deploy that to my Google Storage bucket that I created in the second episode. And then when I head over to the website, I can sign up. I'm going to sign up with some credentials. Continue. Set a password. WorkOS then asks for an OTP code upon sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And you can see I'm in. That's auth with an email password flow using WorkOS. I'm going to try the Google one as well now. And again, I'm in. The Google flow works very, very smoothly. And so that's auth with WorkOS, I think, in about 7 minutes. We'll just try signing in here to make sure that that kind of works okay. I'm just going to try the Google one. Yeah, all kosher. And again, so that's auth with WorkOS. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate also if you want to buy me a coffee. My link's in the description below. Until next time, guys, happy coding.